Hello children. So I am from Bharathidhasanar Matric High Secondary School, Kaveri Pakkam. This is your maths teacher Aruna. Today we are going to see 7th standard maths. The first chapter is number system. Before going to see what is number system, what is number and where we are using number and how we are using numbers shall we see. So first number. Number is the mathematical object is used to count, measure and label. Initially number is started for the purpose of counting. So we used to count money, right? See, we used to count money with numbers, right? 10, 20, 15, 100 like that. And we can give some more examples also in our day-to-day life where we are using counting. See how many of them playing in the park. We used to count and say the answer, right? And how many of them present in the class today. So we can use to count and say how many of them are present, right? So for counting purpose numbers we are using, and for measuring purpose also, to measure any object. What is the measurement of the pen? What is the measurement of the eraser? We can give the answer in numbers, right? 5 centimeter, 10 centimeter. What is the measurement of your book? You can use scale to measure the book and we can say what is the length of the book, right? So for measuring purpose also we are using numbers. So likewise we are using numbers in our day-to-day life. And then what does this counting numbers are called? There is a name for counting numbers which is called natural numbers. So counting numbers are called natural numbers. Natural numbers are nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till etc. are called counting numbers. These counting numbers are called natural numbers. They are denoted by capital N. And the set of numbers in the natural number are 1, 2, 3 until etc. Natural numbers are countless, right? Next we are going to see 0 when included with this natural number, what it is. So it is called whole numbers, right? So whole numbers is nothing but 0 along with natural number. See, 0 along with natural numbers are called whole numbers, and this whole numbers are denoted by capital W, right? The set of numbers in the whole number are 0, 1, 2, 3 till etc. which is countless. Whole numbers also countless. The next we are going to see what is integer. So up to now we have seen what is natural number and whole number. So this 1, 2, 3 are positive numbers and 0 is neither positive nor negative. So what about negative numbers now? See, negative numbers along with 0 and natural numbers are called integers. So when the negative number and positive number with 0 is together, that set of numbers are called integers. Is it clear? See how to draw the integers on the number line is given here. See, we need to draw a straight line. At the middle it will be 0. Right side of 0, it is 1, 2, 3. All the positive numbers we need to arrange. And left side of 0, all the negative numbers, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, we need to arrange, right? So negative integers, positive integers along with 0, this set of numbers are called integers. So integer, all the negative integers are less than 0. 0 is greater than all the negative integers. So what is integer you have understood, right? And how we can solve these integers we will see now. 4 is a positive integer and minus 6 is a negative integer. So already we have learned that how to add, that is 7 plus 2. What is 7 plus 2? We can add and say 7 plus 2 is 7 after 8 and 9. We can give the answer as 9. And in subtraction also 7 minus 2 if it is given, 7 minus 2, what is the answer? Answer is, we can say it as 5. And what will be the answer of 2 minus 7 equal to? Can you subtract 2 minus 7? So here we are going to learn integers, right? We will get the answer in negative. How we will get the answer? Let me see in this example. 4 plus minus 6. 4 is a positive integer and minus 6 is a negative integer. Let me consider 4 with yellow color and that is negative integer with red color, right? 4 positive circles and then negative integer is 6. So 6 negative red color circles, and if you are going to combine these two, the value of this each yellow circle is plus 1, and the value of each negative, that is red circle, is minus 1. The combination of these two will become 0. See, plus 1 minus 1 will become 0, right. So, the first pair will become 0, second pair, third and fourth. Till this it is 0, the value is. And what is left here remaining? How many circles are left here? 2. And the color of the circle is red. Red indicates what? For negative. So, the answer is minus 2. So, which is given here, 4 plus minus 6 is minus 2. Is it clear? How we got the answer for integers? So, one is positive and one is negative. We need to subtract here, and the answer will be negative. When the answer will be negative? Without considering the sign, if you see 4 and 6, which is greater? 6 is greater. So, sign of 6 is negative. So, answer also will be negative. See, there are some rules how we are going to get the answer for integers. See, when both the integers are positive, the answer will be positive. Add both the integers and the answer will be positive. Second thing, when both the integers are negative, add both the integers and the answer will be negative. See, one is positive, one is negative, or else one is positive and one is negative is given in this. We need to subtract both the integers. Subtract both the integers and the answer will be positive when the positive integer is greater. When the answer will be negative, the negative integer is greater, the answer will be negative. We will see these rules in the example sums now. See, the next example is minus 4 plus 7. Here minus 4 is negative integer and plus 7 is positive integer, right. So, already I told you using the color circle, which is yellow color and red color, indicates positive and negative. Here we will take negative symbol and positive symbol for the given number. Minus 4 is a negative integer. So, I am going to take negative sign 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then positive plus 7. So, plus symbol I am going to take 7 times. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, when we pair this, it will become 0. So, what is left here? Positive symbol is left. So, the answer is positive. How many positive symbols are there? 1, 2, 3. So, the answer is plus 3. Is it clear? Now, the next example, minus 3, minus 5. Both are negative integers. So, we are going to take negative signs. How many negative signs? 1, 2, 3. Minus 3. So, 3 negative signs. And then again minus 5. So, we are going to take negative signs how many times? 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When positive and negative is there, we can pair that and it will become 0. But here, the given two integers are negative. So, we can't pair the negative integers. So, count how many negative integers are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 negative integers, and the sign also what? Negative sign. So, what is the answer here? Answer is minus 8. Is it clear? When both the integers are negative, you need to add the number and the answer will be negative. Is it clear? 3 plus 5 is 8. Both are negative, answer will be negative. Right? Now, the next example is minus 9 plus 2. So, you can answer for this. How many times negative signs we are going to take? Yes, 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And see, plus 2. So, positive integer, how many times positive sign? Yes, 2 times. 1, 2. So positive and negative is given, we can pair them and it will become 0 also. So how many pairs we can make? 2 pairs. And what is left here? Negative sign. So answer also will be negative. Count how many negative signs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer is minus 7. Is it clear how we got the answer? One is negative and one is positive. We need to subtract first. See, 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2 is 7. And without considering the sign, 9 and 2, the number which is greater. 9 is greater. The sign of the number 9 is minus. So the answer also negative. Is it clear? When both the integers are positive, you need to add both the integers. Answer also will be positive. When both the integers are negative, you need to add the numbers. Answer also will be negative. Second. And third thing, one is positive, one is negative. You want to subtract. See, 7 minus 4 is 3. Here 7 is greater. So 7 is positive. Answer also will be positive. And one is negative, one is positive. I told you to subtract. So 9 minus 2 is 7. And 9 is greater. The sign of the symbol 9 is negative. So the answer also negative. So using this rule only, we are going to solve the integers. Now how to solve integers on number line? Draw a number line. First draw a straight line. At middle at 0, right side of 0, we need to mark positive integers, and left side of 0, negative integers. We have written positive integers up to 8. Here the question is plus 8 and minus 12. For negative integers, we have written up to minus 12. So first number is 8. So initially we need to start from 0, and if it is positive, we want to move to the right side, and negative integer we need to move left side on the number line, right? So 8 is a positive number. So from 0, I am going to move 8 units. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So draw the line like this. The arrow mark goes right side on the number line, which is 8 here. Now from 8, what I am going to do? The next integer is minus 12. So negative integer, I told you we need to move left side on the number line, right? So from 8, you want to move how many units? 12 units left side on the number line. So start from here 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the 12th unit is minus 4. So from 8, we are going to move left side on the number line because it is negative integer. So move 12 units from 8 to minus 4. So draw the arrow mark, and where we reached is the answer now. So 8 plus minus 12 equal to, what the answer we got? Minus 4. So likewise also we can solve the integers using number line. And one more example is minus 3 and minus 5. Using number line we need to add this both, and what will be the answer? Let me see now. So for the number line, I told you to draw a line, and here both the integers are negative. So negative side we are going to write left side. So we can take 0, and positive integer is 1, 2 and 3, etc. Here negative integers we are going to write left side of 0, which is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 and minus 6, minus 7. The first integer is minus 3. So from 0, negative integer we want to move left side. So 3 units, 1, 2, 3. So 0 to minus 3. The first step we did. Then the second integer is negative. So negative we need to move left side. How many units we need to move? 5 units. So from this minus 3 we need to move 5 units on the number line now. So move 5 units here. From this minus 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it reaches minus 8. Is it clear? So negative integer we need to move left side on the number line, and 5. So we are going to move from minus 3 5 units. It reaches what? Minus 8. So draw the arrow mark here. It indicates we have drawn from the left side. So answer is minus 8. Minus 3 plus minus 5 is equal to, the answer what we reached is minus 8. Is it clear how to solve the integers on number line? So using 2-digit numbers, we need to find the sum of these integers. Say 20 plus minus 2. If it is simple numbers, we have seen some methods now, but here using the rules of integers, we are going to solve this. See 20 plus minus 72. So without considering the sign, which number is greater, 20 or 72? 72 is greater. So first write 72 minus 72 plus, and the next number is plus 20. So I told you the rule, when both the integers negative and positive, we need to subtract. So subtract it first. 2 minus 0. 2 minus 0 is 2. 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. So we got the answer 52, right? So what 52 is this? Whether it is a negative number or a positive number? Yes. So the greatest number sign we want to see. The greatest number is 72. The sign of this number is negative. So our answer also negative. Therefore 20 plus minus 72 gives minus 52. Is it clear? I think it will be easy for you to solve the answers. And you can say for the answer for the next example, which is minus 48 here plus minus 15. So we are going to add this number. The next integer also minus 15. See, both the integers are negative. The rule is we need to add both the integers, and the answer also will be negative. So first add this 8 plus 5. What is 8 plus 5? 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13, 3, and remaining is 1. Now 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. So the answer is 6. Both the integers are negative, the answer also negative. So minus 63. So the question is minus 48 plus minus 15, which gives minus 63. Both the integers are negative, add both the integers, and the answer also negative. So far we have seen how to add two integers, is it? So what is integer, and to simplify the integers using number line, and as well as to solve the problems also. Using this example sums, you can solve few problems which is given in the exercise also. So it will be easy, I think so, for you to solve the integers, right? So make use of the session and you can solve the questions which is given in the question bank. Thank you, children.
ஆசிரியராகிய நான் பாடத்தை வழங்குவதற்கு உணர்வுடன் செய்வன திருத்த செய்து சிறந்த ஆசிரியராக திகழ்வேன். அக மற்றும் புறத்தூய்மை கடைபிடித்து